2, 3. Did you know that on average it costs about half to drive an electric car rather than a gas-powered car? Howdy, my name is Alfonso Jimenez. I'm an electrical engineering major here at Texas A&M University. Electric cars are a fascinating technical topic in the field of electrical engineering. In this presentation, we're going to talk about the history of the electric car, how it works, and what the future holds for the electric car. First, starting off with the history of the electric car. According to the Department of Science, electric cars, or a small version of an electric car, has been around since the 1800s. This is because of the invention and innovation of the battery and the electric motor. It wasn't until 1890 when William Morrison built the first U.S. electric car. As you could see, it was a 6-passenger car which had a top speed of around 14 miles per hour. Now, at the time, electric cars were the most practical car out there. The gas-powered cars were really hard to start up, and the steam-powered cars took a really long time to start up. In 1912 was when the downfall of the electric car started happening. This was because of because Ford took out a gas-powered car called the Model T. Now this gas-powered car was a game changer because of because it had the invention of the electric starter. Now this electric starter and because gas at the time was cheaper, made for the gas car to be more practical and better overall. So that started the downfall of the electric car, and by 1935, electric cars were practically non-existent on the roads. It wasn't until the 21st century when electric cars started to get traction again. This is because of the concern with the pollution and because of the high gas prices. This led to a lot of companies to start investing more in electric cars, which led to GM releasing an electric car called the EV1, and what we know, and also like companies like Tesla started building their own electric cars. Next, we're gonna talk about how the electric car works. As you can see, there's a lot of pieces working together to make an electric car, but I'm only gonna talk about 3 parts of them, which I think are some of the most important parts. First, according to the U.S. Department of Energy, there's an electric traction motor. Now this motor is what gets its power from the traction batteries, and it's what spins the wheels, so this is what makes the car move. Next, we're going to talk about the onboard charger. Now this charger takes AC electricity from the charging port and converts it to DC power. Now this DC power is what the traction batteries use to charge itself. Next, the power electronic controller. Now this electronic controller is what controls how fast electricity power from the traction battery goes to the electric traction motor. So this is what controls how fast the car goes. Now all these had to do with the traction battery, which is what powers the whole car and makes it move. Alright. Next, we're going to talk about the advancements of the electric cars and what it holds in the future. By 2025, according to Science magazine, Norway is planning to become a 100% electric car run. By 2030, Germany is planning on banning internal combustion engines, and by 2040, France is planning on France is planning on stopping the sales of gas-powered cars and diesel-powered cars. So this is all setting up for electric cars to take over. And also, Real Clear Energy said that that car companies are investing more into the electric cars. According to this, $225 billion have been invested by companies over the next 5 years to make their cars electric. This will open up the market and give 130 new types of electric cars. In conclusion, electric cars are a fascinating technical topic in electrical engineering. Whether it's the history, how it works, or what the future holds for these electric cars, it's just fascinating to see. And since they already make driving cheaper, it's something that the future is gonna. It's no doubt that in the future we're gonna use electric cars. Here's my bibliography. Any questions? Thank you. So, right here is my note card. Thank you.